we shall take a look at the Zippo retro flame model that is on the gold dust lighter finish. This lighter facade appears to be silkscreen without any etchings, exposing some of the underlying gold dust finish at the scripted Zippo logo as well as along the edge of the retro flame. This lighter, dated I of 2007, in fact it's not, F of 2007, F being the month of June, having a good look at the gold dust finish that kind of resembles street chrome in its finish patterns. Brass plated insert. This lighter is in an unfired condition. Insert dated in February of 2007, few months ahead of the casing production. Alright, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do leave your comments, feedback, suggestions, or questions in the comment section below. Let's have a healthy discussion. As of now, everyone, do stay safe and have a great one.